finished. Yes, Radhyani. Good, Radhyani.
Yes.
Taruneshwar, write fast. Parents, please be ready with the alphabet cutouts that we already prepared. No, that cutouts will be in need today. We'll be doing an activity today.
Small letter, capital. I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Small letter or capital?
Yeah, small letters. Yes, ready? All of you have finished till 40. Yes, okay. Stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes, children.
Morning, Mama.
Yes, good morning, Mavihan. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Jason, will you say Kids Anthem today?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. Come on, everyone. Kids Anthem.
Stand up.
Yes.
You all me.
Mm.
You're fine.
Mm.
With the baby.
You are in it.
You are me.
Mm.
I can touch.
Mm.
You die.
You are the wings.
You are me.
Mm.
Meaning right.
Mm.
You could find me.
Mm.
I can die.
Mm.
To die first.
Mm.
Mm.
Become.
With all my might.
Mm.
I can walk you.
Mm.
I cannot die.
Yes, very good. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Jason. Good morning. Let me hear a big good morning from
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good
Very good morning, children.
morning.
Yes, good morning. Are you all ready for the warm-up activity? Yes, come on, stand up. Stand up, children. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Yes, very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Good, Jason. Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Radhyani. Very good, Radhyani. Rudwin. Very good, Rudwin. Sara. Sara is absent. Ananya is also absent. Sukrit Gautam. Very good, Sukrit Gautam. Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good. Mahirni. Absent. Mitra. Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Here I am.
Yes, very good, Vihan. Thank you, children. Okay, now all of you take your alphabet cards. Yes? The letters what I need is A, N, T, S, I, F and M. 7 cards I need. A, M, N, T, S, I, O and F. 8 cards. A, M, N, T, S, I, F, O. Ready? Okay, now. First word, make the words, children. Now you have single letters in your hand. Okay, now we are going to make 2-letter words. We have learned already, right? 10 words we have learned. That we are going to make it. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, first word is in. In. Parents, please focus the camera on the table in which they are preparing the cards. In.
Correct, ma'am.
In. E. N. In. Very good, Jason. Very good, Keshav. Yes, very good, Hazel. Good. In. First E. Next N. In. Very good, Varsha. Taruneshwar, mom, you don't help him. Let him make it on his own. Ulta, you no need to take it up and show it to me. Prepare it on the table, I can see. No capital letter. You should not use capital letter, Radyani. Small letter I and small letter N. Sukriv Gautam, in. E. N. Yes, very good. Next is it. It. E. T. It. E. T. It. Don't pick up the cards and show it to me. Just arrange it on your table. Yes, very good, Varsha. It. Eat. It. Very good, Ma. Mitra. Vihan. Yes, Sukriv Gautam, only one letter you have. E means what letter you will write. E, E, E. Inky the mouse is my pet. E. Cha. When I watch the tennis play. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha. E, cha, it. First letter is E. That is I. Next letter is T. That is ta sound. Very good, Ma. Hazel. Jason, good. Next is if. E. If. First sound is E. Next is my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. I said not sound, Radyani. My friends and I went to the beach. What letter you should do? I didn't say snake is in the grass. Good. Very good, Varsha, but it is Ulta Varsha. Good. Yes, Hazel, come on. If. Yes, Dashwan, don't play with your cards, Dashwan. Make the words. Very good, Mitra. Very good, Taruneshwar. Good. Very good, Visha. Keshav, good. Next is in. In. In we already made, right? Sorry. Is. Is. E. Is. Look at the action what mom is doing and then you take the cards, children. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. Next. Is. Very good, Radhyani. In, no, Hazel, it's not in. Is. E. Yes, very good, Dashwan. Very good, Keshav. Good, Mitra. Isma, Varsha. Is. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes, correct, Varsha. Is. Okay, next word is on. 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 Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. First letter is O. Second letter is N. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. First is O and next is N. Yeah, good, Jason. On. On. Varsha, good. Keshav, good. Visha, good. Mitra, good. Tarneshwar, good. N. On. Next is am. 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 Mom and the dad makes many meals. Am. Very good, Mahazel, Keshav, Jason. Then Dashwan. Use small letters, Dashwan. Am. Am. Yes, Visha. Next is at. At. Very good, Varsha. At. Very good, Vihan. At. Let the A be as it is, children. You have to just remove M and replace it with T. That's it. At. A-T. At. Very good. Next is as. 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 A-S. As. As.
As.
As. Very good, all of you. Good. Next is off. 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 O means what letter? Take that letter O. And then not A. O. Now it's stuck. The lights go on. O. Off. Very good, everyone. Good children. And final word an. 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 Radyani, sound. Hear the aeroplane. Very good, Varsha. Good. And very good, all of you. Now arrange your cards. Very good, all of you. Thank you so much. Arrange your cards. Give it to your parents. Yes, now you have written already 31 to 40 in your slate, right? Take your slate, all of you. Keep it as it is. Take your slate. Now we are going to find out the missing numbers, okay? So using your slate, that is the numbers which you have written from 31 to 40, we are going to find out the missing numbers, okay? You need not write, you just answer. Look at the slate and then you answer, okay? Need not copy it down, just help ma'am, okay? First number is 3131. Point out 3131 in your slate, children. Where is 3131? Where is 3131? What is the next number? What's the next number?
என்ன நம்பர் சொல்லு?
Yeah, very good. 3 2 32. Yes. Next number is 3 3 33. Okay. Now here 3 4 34. Where is 3 4 34? Point out where is 3 4 34 in your slate. And what number comes next to 34? 35, 35, 36, 36. Okay. Now next number is 3 5 35. Where is 3 5 35? Where is 3 5 35? What comes next? Very good, Mitra. 3 6 36, 3 7 37. Okay. Now the next number is 3 3 33. Point out where is 3 3 33? 33 எங்க இருக்கு? What comes next? 33 க்கு என்ன number இருக்கு? 3 4 34. Very good, children. 3 4 34, 3 5 35. Okay. Now next sum 3 7 37. Where is 3 7 37? Point it. 3 7 37 எங்க இருக்கு? Very good. What comes after 37? 37 க்கு கீழ என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? Yeah, 38, 38. Okay. Now take your worksheet like this only. We have to do the missing numbers, children. Okay. So take your worksheet number D62 empty. D62 empty and do your worksheet. Write today's date. D62 empty. And today's date is 3030-9-2121 and the day is Thursday. Month is September. Do it on your own, children. Parents, please don't help them. Give the slate to them. Like how I taught them, you please guide them in that way.
Number எழுது.
31.
Don't tell them the answers. Then they will never learn missing numbers. So just guide them, but don't tell them the answer. You can use the same slate also, children. Keep the slate next to you. Touch the number first in the worksheet. And see what number
வேகமா பண்ணு.
or else if you are able to do on your own, you can do it. First is 31-33. What will come? After 31, you will get 31.
அடுத்து நீங்க மேடம் நீ தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Yeah, do it on your own, children. Parents, I kindly request you, please don't help them.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
D62 empty. Yes, very good, Mitra. Finish. Good. Mitra's mom, she has done correctly on her own.
Yeah, yes ma'am.
Yeah, good. Very good, Mitra.
Ma'am. What?
Yes, Jason, did it on your own.
39.
ஆமா. Yes, ma'am. He finished, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Very good, Mitra.
He's not using slate, ma'am. But
Without slate, you are doing a very good, Jason.
I was saying to see the slate, but he is not doing. He's
Good, good. Very good.
33 and not 33 or 10?
ஆமா.
And 39.
He's not using slate, huh? Good.
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Vihan, finish.
Writing, ma'am.
Difficult. Use your slate.
Ma'am. காமிக்கலாமா?
Three finish. Ah.
நானா finish.
Very good, Supreem. Everybody has to sleep. Not thinking to using your slate. Ah.
Slate and all, ma'am. He's not seeing slate. If I say ask him to see slate, now he's saying it is written this way, so it is wrong. He's saying.
Good boy, Chamattu. That is my boy, Supreem.
எல்லாம் எழுதிட்டாங்க பார்க்கலாமா?
எல்லாரும் எழுதிடுவாங்க.
எழுதியாச்சா பார்க்கலாமா? Very good.
Very good.
சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
Such a good children you all are. Huh? Not at all using slate, doing it on your own. I underestimated you children, really. Finished, Hazel?
Is it finished? Say. Yes, sir.
How did you do it? Did you see the slate?
No, ma'am, she didn't see, but she was saying 31, 32. So she was recollecting everything and she
road
wrote.
counting. Did it road counting and did it. Very good, Hazel. Good girl. Yes, Kavi Karthika and Dashwan Velan. Dashwan, விளையாடிக்கிட்டே இருங்க Dashwan. Finished?
Writing, ma'am.
What writing? I'm looking here. See what you're doing. Always playing. Why?
Finish, ma'am.
Come on, write first.
Finish, ma'am. நானா சாத்தா மூச்சா. நானா சாத்தா மூச்சா, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Good, Vihan. Good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kavi Karthika, finish, ma. Very good.
Finish.
Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Rajani.
Ma'am, without slate, she is writing.
Wow, very good. Children, you have improved a lot, children. Very good. Good to see. Varsha? Where is this girl, Varsha? Varsha, say yes, ma'am. Varsha, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Finished, Varsha. Very good, Varsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
Rubri
shall we
finished,
see
ma'am.
next worksheet? Yes, next worksheet is D57 empty. D57 empty. This page. Take this page, all of you. Write today's date.
Page number என்ன?
அதுதான்
D57 empty. Okay, before doing that, all of you look at the screen. All of you look at the screen. Don't do it. Hazel, you have to wait for ma'am, Hazel. Then ma'am will cry. Fighting. Give her the pencil, she will not do. Look here, my Hazel. First you help ma'am. First you help ma'am, okay? Then you will do. Children, all of you look at the screen. I just want you to look at the screen and first listen how to do this activity. Okay? See, I have group of 10, 11, 12, 13. Which is number 13? This one or this one? Which is number 13? Don't count, open your mouth and say, which is number 13? 1, 5, 13 or 1, 3, 13? Huh?
What's wrong?
First you have to circle and then only you have to trace the number, children. First circle பண்ணிட்டு then only you have to trace the number. Okay, as it is, you should not trace the number. Okay, like that you have to do the worksheet. Come on, do the sums first. Sum you have here is this one. 10, 20, 30, 31. Find where is 31. Circle it first. And then you trace the number. First circle பண்ணனும். Then only you should trace. 31. Which is 31? 3, 1, 31 or 3, 4, 31? Which is number 31? Circle it first. First circle பண்ணுங்க அந்த நம்பரை. அதுக்கப்புறம் trace பண்ணுங்க.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, now the next sum I already taught you now. Group of 10, 11, 12, 13. Find where is number 13 and circle number 13. Afterwards, you trace it. Yes? Okay, next sum you have only one group of 10. So the number is 10. Where is 10? 1, 0, 10 or 1, 2, 10? Which is 10? You circle it and then you trace it. And the last sum 10, 20, 21, 22. Find which number is 22, circle it and then trace it. Yes, after finishing this talk time, Jason and Kavi Karthika, be ready. 22. Find which is 22. Circle it first and then you trace it. 2 3 is 23. 2 2 only is 22. Very good, Jason. Very good, Nisha. Very good, Hazel. Very good, Madhyani. Very good.
Fisherman.
Good. Is Kavi Kartika finished? Sukri finished. Very good, ma. Very good. Yes, Jason, are you ready for the top 10? Yes, start, Jason. Jason is now going to talk about farm animals. Farm animals, penguins, or its home. Okay? Come on, Jason.
I'm going to present, ma'am. Can I?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see.
So, Jason, you should start now. Okay? So,
I am Jason.
Adam.
Louder, ma, Jason.
Sattama.
I am Jason. I don't talk about my mate. There are many for my mate. Cow, hen, heart,
Goat.
goat. Pig. Parrot. Right up the door. Cow, hen, heart. Put the cow. Cow. Whee. Cow is in cow head. Everyone go with cow. Due to the cow. Cow didn't melt. And I want to bring milk. Milky yummy. Hen. Hen lived in hen coop. Everyone had a tit. Look at the hen. Hen laid it. And added healthy food. Heart lived in her table. Everyone heard it for it. Look at the heart. Heart carrot. Heart bottom. Carrot. Duck. And even people. To one plate to the other plate. Thank you.
Well done. Very nice PPT. Well explained. Thank you so much, Jason. Thank you so much, Jason's mom. I want you to give him a gift today for the talk time. Very good.
We already.
What?
It is already a deal, ma'am.
Fine, Jason. Such a good boy you are. Okay, next is
Already a
Kavi
deal.
Kartika.
சொல்லு.
Doggy petal man.
Wait, ma. ஏதாவது ஒரு இது use பண்ணுங்க.
Yes.
Yes.
Kavi
Four
Kartika.
legs, two eyes, one tail.
Kavi Kartika.
Dog,
Kavi Kartika யார்
doggy,
சொல்லு சொல்லு.
Kavi Kartika வேற ஏதாவது gadget attach ஆயிருந்தா அதை
doggy
mute பண்ணி
petal
விடுங்க.
man.
ஆ. ம்.
It has four legs,
2 eyes,
two eyes,
1 tail.
one tail.
Faithful and
Faithful animal.
milk,
Egg, milk,
rice,
rice, fish.
dog, pig, fish,
Dog made me the big.
coffee.
Coffee. Rock the knee. Watch.
Dog lives in.
Kindle,
Dog lives in.
Entry.
Dog kennel.
End.
Dog lives in dog
Dog
kennel.
kennel.
Ah. Then that's it.
Thank you.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Wonderful. Super. Well done. Yeah. Thank you. Children, I want all of you to take your My Word Trip book V page. My Word Trip book V page. V page. Yes, V. What is the phonic sound of V? Ooh. Drive big swan round the village. Drive big swan round the village. Drive big swan round the village. Ooh. Okay. So V for, what is this? Vacuum cleaner. We used to clean the house using this vacuum cleaner. Come on, touch the pictures as I say. V for vacuum cleaner. V for van. Van. V for vest. Vest. V for volcano. V for volcano. V for vulture. Vulture. It's a very dangerous bird, children. Vulture. And then V for vase. Flower vase, okay? Vase. V for violin. Violin. It's a musical instrument. And then V for violets. Look at the color of the flowers. It is violet in color, right? So only it's called as violets. And then V for vines. Vine is a climber, okay? Vines. From the beginning, V for van, V for vest, V for volcano, V for vulture, V for vase, V for violin, V for violets, and V for vines. Okay, now I want you to take your V worksheet in your worksheet book. Worksheet number is D66LT. D66LT. First, trace it with your pointer finger from 1, 2, and then go up. Like this. V. V. Start writing V. V. V for vulture. V for van. V for violin. V for vegetables. Vegetables. Yes, you can write the next sheet also, children, if you have finished. What, Varsha?
V for vanilla. V
Varsha.
for Varsha.
Very good, Varsha. V for vanilla, ma'am, and V for Varsha. V for Vihan.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, you can write the next page also, children. Come on, continue the next page. Continue the next page also. It is easy to write. Come on, start writing. Avikartika, where is Dashwan? Finished, Mamitra? Very good, ma. Very good, Varsha.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Very
Ma'am.
good, Mitra.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Rajini.